Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I budget 40,000 of my income. I use this budget planner. It's a monthly budget planner. So let's dive in. Salary. Before I actually spend, this is what I do. First, I record what I'm planning to spend, and then I record all my expenses. Just starting with the rent, incomes, utilities. We have subscription, we need groceries. What else? Personal care. We need to set aside some money for dining out, entertainment. You don't have to suppress yourself. And what else? You need some cash for transportation. And I've listed everything. Now let's go. Let's start. 10,000 for rent. Utilities 4,000. Subscription. How much? I do pay 2,000 monthly. Personal care 4,500. That's how. Dining out 2,300. And entertainment 2,000. Transportation, let's say 3,000. That 1,000. Let's go on and budget the remaining. We need some cash for emergency. We have to pay for student loan, and that's all so far. So now it's emergency fund. I'm going with 8,000. And student loan, how much? 2,000. So we still have balance of funds to assign, and since this template is not restricted to any rule, we'll just leave it at that point. Our next step is to record now the actual amount. 10,000 for rent, utilities. Now this is the actual one, the actual amount that we have paid. Subscription 2,000. Personal care 4,000. And for dining out, how much are we going to do? Dining out 300. Entertainment, if you spend more, it will be highlighted in. If you spend more on any expenses, it will be highlighted in red, meaning you have gone over your budget. You can adjust in the next month. Now let's go to transportation. That is how much we are setting aside. Now let's record the actual savings. 8,000 for emergency fund and 2,000. Let me show you something. So this amount is under remaining column. It is highlighted in red, meaning you have not spent. Okay, you are under budget. You have not saved anything. So let's record. Let's record 2,000 for student loan, and that's it. Here we have total income for the month, total expenses, all expenses including savings and debt, and we have a surplus of 2,900, meaning we have not gone over our budget. We're still on our budget, and that is how I budget my monthly income using this budget plan. Thing you need to know about this template: when it comes to editing date, you double click this cell, choose your date, and that's all. And on this other side, we have graphs to compare income streams. If you have more than one income stream, and on this other side, we have expenses. It's a pie chart showing expenses breakdown. And now, under income section, we have a leftover or a rollover. This is now the balance or the surplus of last month. For example, we have a surplus of, in October we have a leftover of 2,900. So this is what you are supposed to do. Open main copy tab, duplicate it. Don't edit main copy tab directly, duplicate it and rename. You can rename this November. So this is when now we are supposed we are going to record 2,900 surplus of 2,900 here as a surplus before we start our month. And then you proceed to recording salary, recording everything. Thank you for watching. I will put link to this template in the description. You can check it out, and make sure you subscribe and comment what do you think of this template, and if you have used it, what do you think of it. It's the best if you are starting your budgeting journey. It's the best to start with. It is not complicated. It does not have a lot of rules. It's simple.